Skip message sent yesterday at 5:27 p.m.
Aside.
What?
I swear it's like a disease that goes round and round and round like sirens.
She's like, Daddy, I'm gonna go say hello.
The evil that money brings. I swear it's like a disease that goes round and round and round like sirens. And they wanna bury me. Why? 'Cause I'm anti-everything. I swear it's like a disease that goes round and round and round like sirens.
Why don't we just come down here?
No.
Why
I can't see her. There she is. It's so bright I can't see the screen.
Raven, no! Raven! Look at that cute little dog over there. Keeps on bringing back the Christmas.
Let's go. This way.
Yeah.
Over there, there's two of us.
Uh-huh.
See the strangest thing, the evil that money brings. I swear it's like a disease that goes round and round and round like sirens. And they wanna bury me. Why? 'Cause I'm anti-everything. I swear it's like a disease that goes round and round and round like sirens. I see the strangest thing, the evil that money
Because of the time she went way out.
it's like a disease that goes round and round and round like sirens.
Raven!
And they wanna bury me. Why? 'Cause I'm anti-everything. I swear it's like a disease that goes round and round and round like sirens.
Let's go, Ray. Come on, Ray. Come on, Ray. Chill, why didn't you do it all she wants to go on?
Raven.
Oh, she's going far. Oh, look how far she's going. Look how far away she is. See if I can zoom in. Raven's far away. Look how far away she is. Here she comes.
You can already see that any of these doors.
Look at her running.
He said, this is mine and you're not getting it. Me and Mommy are playing and you can't have it.
See the strangest thing, the evil that money brings. I swear it's like a disease that goes round and round and round like sirens. And they wanna bury me. Why? 'Cause I'm anti-everything.
Raven, what are you
I
doing?
swear it's like a disease that goes round and round and round like sirens.
Raven just running away. Raven, what's the matter?
Watch this, he's gonna throw the frisbee and the dog's gonna go after him.
Oh, she's going away with the frisbee. Look at this. Raven's very friendly with the other dogs.
I love it when you smile. You like it when I cry. I don't even know how we made it here. I love you, you know this, but you don't know what love is from all that I feel. The strongest is fear.
She doesn't even want the ball. What are you doing, Raven? Where you going? Raven, what are you doing? But when you have to give her a bath when she gets home?
I guess, but she's having a good time. That dog out there.
I love it when you smile. You like it when I cry. I don't even know how we made it here. I love you, you know this, but you don't know what love is from all that I feel. The strongest is fear.
Hi.
Raven, you found your friends? Found friends? Loving it, right?
I love it when you smile. You like it when I cry. I don't even know how we made
Yeah,
it
we filmed the video
here.
down there.
I love you, you know this, but you don't know what love is
Fort
from
Jefferson,
all
beautiful
that I
town.
feel. The strongest
The
is
ferry's right there.
I love it when you
Still
smile.
keep
You
on going to the
like
water.
it when I cry. I don't even know how we made it here.
I see, it's hard for me to, I can't see the screen, so I don't know what I'm filming. It's working, but it's too No, you have to use the screen. It's just too bright. No, I got her. There she is. It goes 80 times. That's why when we go to like Nescansa Library and stuff, I'm able to zoom all the way in on the people on the stage. Yeah, she's taking a lot of energy out of herself right now.
That's the bad guy. So say good night to the bad guy. Come on. Last time you're gonna see a bad guy.
Gets along with the other dogs very well.
Yeah, some dogs don't like it.
Yeah. There she goes.
David!
She won't go in the water.
You're a graduate. Uh-oh. Did you get that, Scott?
Yeah.
Well, that's what happened last time. The first time you did it, you really did. You had actually swimming. And I was like, oh my God, maybe it's back. It took me a while to turn around, but I Raven! You guys want to sit down? I brought a towel.
Okay.
Emma, you want to sit down?
In the water, Raven.
I don't know if you want to sit down. She used to be afraid of the frisbee. She would bark at it.
Afraid of it now. Looks like she wants it.
We had a hard frisbee. It's just every time I threw it in the backyard, she was barking at it. Hi, Gracie. Hey, you're giving me a bath. See, that was good. She went in. It's a lot harder than it looks, these paddle boats.
Oh yeah, you gotta have good balance. Those dogs want to go in. Raven!
Raven, the daddy.
Hello.
How are you, Ray?
You gotta show that video to Mike.
Oh yeah, you gonna put that in?
I'm not gonna make it a Buzz TV episode or anything. I'm just gonna make it a Raven Dog Beach episode.
Dog beach? Okay.
Yeah, it's just gonna be its own little video.
Yeah, I think Chris like that's
But you see, look at the screen. I can't see what's going on.
your frisbee.
Yeah.
So
Your
it-
sunglasses?
Hey, look, I am wearing sunglasses.
Oh,
But any
it's too bright.
so I'm just sort of moving it around. Hopefully, I'm getting stuff.
We took pictures of the Impractical Jokers, and they said if you... Oh no, somebody get the frisbee. Oh, shoot. Raven.
Uh-oh, too far out there for you?
Oh, they want to get it, but they're nervous. Oh, maybe that one's fine. That dog is an Australian cattle dog. It looks like a fox a little bit.
Yeah.
I just asked her. Oh, look at this. Get this.
That dog's loving the water. Loving it.
Oh, it's going way out.
I think.
I was trying to go to his master. Look how far out it's gone.
So what are you guys doing for the rest of the day?
You know what? Nothing much. Just chilling. I don't know.
I have to clean.
You guys want to stop over later?
Yeah, I gotta clean up first. That's top priority.
Sit on the
That's not
back
gonna
porch.
take too long. And I gotta clean up my refrigerator.
We didn't get home till 1 in the morning. It was a real long day. Just like that annoying seagull that has to go up to everything.
We're back on Cedar tonight to watch the sunset. But this is so beautiful. Why go all the way to Cedar? Yeah, why go all the way? I said, is this open night?
This is where closes at dusk. They actually lock the gate.
All right, so
So,
you can't get in here. That's really
is this where they have the party?
No, on the other side of the
This
trees.
is very taken off.
Sea ferry.
See, look at Raven.
It's very pretty. Very tranquil.
Want to sit down, Tom?
No, I'm good. I can picture myself. Next time I come here, I'm bringing lunch there. Yeah. And a cup of coffee.
Well, you know what? Last Sunday,
Ah, he got his freaking back.
last Sunday we went to the steam room for breakfast.
Yeah, that would be nice.
You know, like, well, I'm going to Idaho. But when I get back, maybe we should do that.
Yeah.
Just walk. If you get here early, it's nice. It's like no one.
He's just running back and forth. He's got the frisbee just going crazy. Arr, arr, arr. puppies are walking around.
Yeah, this dog is like
It's a good looking dog.
oh, this dog's good. Notice how scary.
Raven.
That's a lot like Raven.
You went swimming?
A lot like Raven.
Oh,
Oh, look
there's
at
a
this.
friend.
Yeah.
Aw. Big twins.
Don't they look a lot alike?
Yep, black.
I know. And the white, they both got the white down here.
Oh, Raven stopped again at the water.
Raven's like,
I
I'm
think
not
she
going
went
to
in
the
by
water.
accident before. What? Excuse
Where'd you get it from?
Friends of Freddie, the animal shelter. Oh, okay. What's his name?
Like a bandit.
Bandit?
Bandit, yeah.
Well, bless you too
Really
for saving
cute
us
dog.
Yeah.
She's only a puppy. She's 11 months.
Where'd you come from?
The Friends of Freddie Animal
No,
Shelter.
I mean from them.
Her mother delivered a litter on the premises, so I don't know where they got. Her mother was all tan, but
Come out, I dry them off, and nothing. Doesn't smell.
So he's all right.
Water come out.
get in there, Ray.
Oh, I don't know if he's gonna like that. He's got his toy.
He knows.
Yeah, they both leave it out there.
They're both leaving their toy.
Don't get it. I know, he didn't take it back. What are you gonna do?
Getting soaked.
That's why I always wear dirty clothes when I come here. You should have worn your old sneakers.
I can't find them.
Oh, you always need to save them for yard sale.
I know.
And they're around.
And when I do my painting and everything. Yeah.
Yellow.
You're calling your dog and Raven comes running. She got a friend. Did you see that? That's so funny. She's calling her dog and Raven comes running.
Raven.
Now that's a sight.
Oh, I just got hit with a rock. Oh my god.
Get her, Tom.
You like her, Raven? This one yours? No, that's my friend Jefferson.
She's a puppy. She's
So cute.
oh, thanks.
How old is she?
11 months. What is Ray gonna have to wear down? She never wears out.
Still hanging in there.
Still a baby.
Oh, poor thing.
Aw, give me a little boy. I had a baby.
Still hanging in there, baby?
Oh, you know what?
Mama's over there
It
calling
was so cute.
you. Mama's over there calling. Good doggy.
Oh, he just wants to play with his friends.
Oh, he's definitely older.
It was so cute. He was laying on her chest when he walked in. I'm thinking, maybe he do that. Oh, maybe he'll get baby.
Raven, Raven.
The dog is probably scared. I think Raven is.
Ah, you bought a spare one.
Yeah, there's the other frisbee. It's just sitting there.
Oh, shit. Let us settle down for a bit. We thought she was relaxing in the back seat of the car. Next thing you know, the leash. All right, it's time to sit now.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down. Sit. Take a break. Get some water.
Right.
Good girl.
Where's the water? Yeah, that's okay. They all do. Doggy slime.
Mom will give you some water, okay? Relax.
Oh, I gotta show you the pictures of her eating the ice cream.
Oh, stop. Sit down.
Right. Got it on the newcomer.
New guy coming in?
Newcomer? Okay, right. You have to relax. You're bothering the poodle. Right.
Sit down. Drink.
Yeah. She's so spoiled. Like a Coca-Cola. How spoiled she is. She can't contain herself.
Okay, stop. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Stay. Sit.
Relax.
Sit. Stay. Okay. You need to rest.
I know. I said to him. I told him that. Believe me.
I don't like the water, so.
And then Eric says, well, I'm going to Dad. Do you think swimming in the pool, you think James wants to come? And I'm like, well, I don't know. Call him. And I'm like, well, I think he's going to the gym. He says, well, there's a gym over at Dad's, a small one.
Yeah, tell him to call.
And I'm like, well, I don't know. You got to check it out with him.
Yeah, he's got to ask his dad if it's okay first, too.
I think he already did that. His father said, yeah, that's not a problem. It's a matter of, I don't know. But,
I'd like James to get out a little bit, I think that James, on a nice day, it's like he's off today. He wants to go to the gym. I asked him if he wanted to come down here, but he didn't want to.
Yeah, but if Sean's going to Jersey, that means it's brony time.
How does he get there?
Takes the trains.
Oh,
There's trains that take him all over.
He's very capable of traveling all over the place.
He loves to travel, Sean.
Yep.
He does.
He was about to go to Maryland for brony.
He's not.
But
Adam's going to be
Adam's going to be here.
Imagine if they had a European tour. God. It's like, oh, Scotland.
Well, wish me luck. I'm going to Manhattan.
Hey, it'll be fine.
I'm going with Harris.
No, they're driving it.
Harris is driving. At the last minute, Harris said, well, we could take my car, but where would we park it? So we called up to find out if there's parking. The hotel, if you're going to stay at the hotel, Carnegie Hall is across the street for 24 hours a day. 24 hours you can park over at Carnegie Hall if you're staying at the hotel. So we figured it out. $48 is a lot cheaper than taking the train. So we're going to do that.
Yeah, the train's like $25 a person.
So,
We should go down. Yeah, she can breathe, so let's go.
yeah, but it's still more money.
You guys want to walk around a little over by this little park over there and just sit
Yeah.
for a while? Interview Tema later.
Here we are waiting for Tama as usual. Look, where is she?
Try to talking to some of the people. Here she comes.
Ah, the turtle. The turtle.
She just flipped you the bird.
Flipping me off? What did you got there?
These shows are interesting.
I know, you can put them on the entree?
Let me put it in like an orangey one. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna clean this up. There's like a purple color over there. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. Oh, that's interesting. Like this one. Kind of looks like a potato chip. I don't know, I just got.
gotta get this whole ship there instead of the PowerPoint.
Well, I think
There's an interview for you, Tama.
Stand over there, get an interview.
Wait, there's people walking.
why are you sitting on top of me?
Because you want me warmer.
What's your problem?
You want me warmer, I'm going to sit on you.
I hear Tama, stand over there. Scott's going to interview you about the beach.
She doesn't want to do it. She's, hey, you see. All right, what do you think of the beach?
Beach was good. What's funniest part was seeing Raven getting chased by a little dog. This tiny dog chasing a big dog down the beach. I thought that was pretty funny anyway. But it was good. It was a good time.
Isn't there
Beautiful.
This beach is nicer than Cedar Beach?
Yeah, that's why I don't understand it. Well, that they're not.
But they closed before.
Yeah, I know. I wish you didn't have to, you know. I need a beverage.
Should have brought one.
Oh well.
Look how nice it is here. They have some nice dogs.
Wheelbarrows.
Oh my God, Scott. I was talking about
Those are just
Here
gorgeous.
comes the ferry.
Aren't those beautiful dogs? Oh, Raven sees a friend. He says, look, Raven.